JsparkzBeatz the beat for me.
Yo! Amy, do it. What? They got us surrounded. What, bro? Not again, bro. Last time this happened, San Francisco, bro. Yes, sir. We outside. Just got to the San Diego ride out. You know the vibes.
Got San Diego, we out this job.
Got any beat sports, bro?
Bro, I got nothing.
Yeah. What's up, y'all? Yes, sir. We outside.
Yes, sir, mate. Hey, so go subscribe.
Go my
Go
guy,
subscribe.
PSI.
Yes, sir. Subscribe to PSI to go. You mean?
Bro, you gotta pop in and out of Dago, bro.
And bro, I'm not rich yet. When I'm rich, I got you. What? Thank you, bro.
What is that?
You guys look, yeah,
Hey,
you just showed me
that's
some
thorough.
love, bro. That's tough, bro.
Rosati.
Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you very much, bro.
Yes,
That's actually
sir.
tough. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. All right, y'all. Look, I'ma wait till the end of the ride out to sign all the bikes, cause if I do it now, just take too long. All right. But I got you. I promise. Like I got you. I always do. I always do.
Bro, what's so well in pictures, bro? Yo, you want to get stuck in Beverly Hills again?
No.
Nah.
Not again. Something different. Big moves in Beverly.
Yes, sir.
Got my guy 101 block.
Yumbo! What? Yumbo? How did Yumbo get up there? Yo, he just teleported, bro.
Literally.
He just teleported, bro. Get up there. How you get up there? Go around?
Follow me. Bro.
Bro, how did Yumbo get up here, bro? Alright guys, I'm about to find out how you get up here.
What about it? You're gonna show us how to get in? Here, go to the side door right here.
What? Oh, alright. Say that.
That one actually.
I'm trying to get on top of our game.
Which
This
one?
door?
On top. Oh no, you gotta go through here first. Then you go. I'm almost here every day.
For real?
I go to school right here.
Yo. Dark as hell. You got a flashlight? Oh. Bro, where am I, bro?
Well, this is the vending station.
What the?
Okay, lock. Here, this one belongs to me. It's over here. Think they blocked that one out? Can you that door open? Or just-
Maybe. I'm not from here.
Angel, did they lock that door right here? Oh no, I was opening the wrong one.
Yo, where did I just go into, dude?
And then you go right here. Go this. This is how you climb this.
Oh, there's a
Climb
ladder.
that.
It's a
Then you do this one.
Okay, guys. Well, yo. I'm on the roof with it.
Yeah, nah, this is the bed.
No cap.
Oh, it's drawing.
Yo.
I was gonna make that for my big lot.
Yes, sir.
Bro, I would actually live up here.
Just chill here forever.
Bro, yeah, it looks beautiful right here. Yeah.
Oh, you guys should see downtown at nighttime.
Yeah. Yo, come here, Aiden, help me do the intro.
I got you, gang.
Huh?
Yes, sir. One way? I used to be one way.
Help me film.
Got you, gang.
Alright, what is going on, guys? It is Alex Rosati. Now, today we are here in San Diego for the first time ever, and all these young boys brought me up on the building. San Diego. But damn, guys, the energy in Diego is alive. I ain't gonna lie, we gonna have a good day here. We about to show the work, we about to show all the talent. You know, just over here exploring the SoCal area, bro, the all California area. I've never been to Diego, so this is about to be an interesting day. And I'm excited, bro. I'm very excited. We about to turn up, get some clips. We just did the LA ride out yesterday. We did 50 miles, and we coming to Diego back to back, bro. We on some but we have a good ass day out here for sure. Yeah. Why did your uncle want to kiss?
Hey, what the fuck is in here?
Oh, my fault, Aiden.
You all good?
They're talking about $80. You hear that?
80 bucks for what?
We going through the building or over here?
I went through the building.
Guys, look at these.
Bro,
Oh my god.
we gotta get the flashlight out, bro.
What the I can't see.
Bro, I know,
Are we in the
bro.
right room?
Bro.
No, we are. And you're this way,
What is this mess? Bro, this is like some like haunted type. How you, boy? Yes, sir. Yo, what? He bugging, bro.
It's this way.
Yo.
Oh, is that way?
Yo.
Oh. Wait, this way?
Hey, come on. Come, hey, come on.
I get haunted vibes in here. Is there any history in here?
So this is abandoned preschool.
Did somebody die in here?
Somebody died in here.
Girl, are you capping to me right now?
No, this used to be a preschool.
Preschool? What happened?
Like, yeah, there's a lot of bad places right here.
Is there bad energy in this place?
No, there's good energy.
Good energy? Only good?
Yes, sir.
Then why is there on the wall?
Cause like people love
And why does it say goodbye, my love?
somebody committed suicide.
For real? Yo, why does it say they made me do it? What? What? Yo, what happened in here? I love. What? Sliver?
Mikey! Where's Mikey?
I have no idea. We outside in San Diego. We outside. Pretty calm vibes, bro. Definitely a city I'd recommend to visit. Hey, what's going on, guys? We're taking a break right now. You see, stop at 7-Eleven. A little break. Gotta go ride a little bit. Right out 2 days is crazy, dude. LA today, San Diego is crazy. Yes, sir.
Get a long nail? You want color?
Yes, sir.
Limit,
You want?
limit to store. No enough.
For real?
Hey, $5. Hey, $5.
5 out, 5 in. 5 out, 5 in.
You want $5? You got $6?
5 out, 5 in.